Okay, another Ohm's law question. Reading it through, toaster is connected to 120 volts. The heating element has a resistance of 14 ohms, and it's asking us to find current. I'm going to work through it using that grasp method again. G stands for given. We were given that the voltage was 120. We were given that the resistance is 14. The R stands for required. We're required to find the current, or capital I. A stands for analysis. That's where you find the right equation. We only got one equation, so V equals I times R will be our equation. S stands for substitution. Before we get to that, I'm going to write out the equation in the magic triangle way. V, I, R. If we put them in the corners of a triangle like that, if we're trying to solve for I, like we are in this question, then I know that I have to do V divided by R. Or you could get it from algebra, but I'm going to rearrange I all by itself is volts divided by R. Subbing in the numbers, the volts was 120, the R was 14. Using your calculator, when I divide that out, I'm getting a number of 8.571. It keeps going, and that's a number in amps. Now, the second last step is I have to go back and look at the question. The voltage was 120.0, so that's a 4 digit number. The resistance was 14.0, that's a 3 digit number. So my answer should only have 3 digits. So our 8.571, I need to round that off to 3 digits. So I'm going to say I, a little squiggly sign for rounding off. 8 is important, 5 is important. The last digit, it rounds off to 7. So 8.57 amps is a 3 significant digit correct answer. And then our last step is just to put it in a sentence. The current is 8.57 amps. That's how you solve Ohm's law following the grasp method and using the significant digit rules.